You mean foreign groups, yes.
Yes.
We're not. We're not under influence of any foreign groups. But maybe you are going to the point of, did we accept
Yes.
any contribution from foreign groups? Yes, we did. Like the Asia Foundation gave us so many t-shirts noong 2010 kasi we were visible everywhere. So that was given without any sabi mo baga strings attached that we should push for this or push for that, push for this candidate or push for these issues. Wala. And I'm grateful to Asia Foundation. They have never put any conditionality to what they gave.
Yeah, how do you find that condition you post by Comrade? Na you should not be under the influence and
Well,
directly or
if you
indirectly.
will go logical, I mean, if you will go talagang scrutinize that one, marami ding loophole kasi you are not under the influence. They don't influence you eh. Yun ang sinasabi ko, no? That's what I'm trying to point out. They don't. Kamukha nang binigyan ko ng t-shirt, no conditionality eh. Except that we gave them like this out of gratitude also.
But do you think, ma'am, yung ganung provision is as clear as, you know, you shouldn't be accepting any. Like a politician or a political party or a political
That we
coalition.
cannot.
You cannot, they cannot accept, di ba? They cannot accept foreign funding.
Yes, kasi mahirap yun. Makasabihin, pinupush ang certain issue
Agenda,
or
yes, or
yes.
project. But then, yun nga, mukhang in-adapt yun as far as election watchdogs are concerned.
Yeah,
Kasi I
but
also check yung
pero yun
accredited-
nga, but there is a kwan. Gumawa sila ng embank resolution nung for 2010. I just don't have the number now, Aris. 2010, gumawa sila ng resolution. I remember because si Commissioner Sarmiento was the one who told me about that Kasi nung nagsasabi niya ako kung makakatanggap kami ng ganito, sabi niya, there is an embank resolution na ginawa namin na dinefine namin what's partisan and non-partisan.
What's partisan and what's
Non-partisan.
So you're saying na as long as the money or the support or anything that's given to election watchdogs, not necessarily to be served, is not used for partisan purposes.
Yeah, non-partisan. Non-partisan, yes. Basta, ang point ko lang na yung ding yung donor, no? That they do not impose any conditionality.
But is it really?
At saka mahirap kung palagay mo to be used for some other, yun nga, yung partisan involvement. But kami naman non-partisan eh. Tsaka, I don't know, t-shirts, parang hindi naman, wala naman yun eh. Diba?
There's one argument na as long as it's used for voter education, there's no problem with it.
Yeah.
But yung sa poll monitoring, when they wear the t-shirts, it's no longer voter education.
Well, that is also part of identifying na ito yung mga nagbigay ng voters education, they're the monitors, saka yung ginamit din namin for registration. Ang registration pa rin. To identify our volunteers. Kasi baka mamaya, ang dami-dami mo nagpapanggap dyan, pagbibigyan ng voters education. So that's fine.
So, sinasabi mo, yung in-impose na condition, at least dalawa yun eh. I was reading the conditions set by COMELEC for your accreditation as election watchdog. Dalawa yun. There's a gray area, there's a neutral area.
Gray area.
They should have been more specific na as long as wala nakalagay doon eh na
Wala nga,
you
because,
can accept
yes, because
as
nga,
long-
nagkaroon na ng resolution ang COMELEC and identifying what's partisan and non-partisan.
But then it didn't they didn't say that in your
No, but
current
they don't put that in. They don't put that anymore because there was a previous resolution and nobody raised the issue now. Yeah. Kasi noon, that issue was raised. So, they came out with the resolution, which is still effective unless revoked.
Okay. But then, nag-lapse na kasi yung, di ba, in 2010, nag-lapse na yung accreditation of PPCRB.
Yeah,
So you have to apply. Hindi ba dapat mas... Ibig sabihin, that resolution in the past is no longer effective and binding because that applied to your 2010 accreditation.
We didn't look, to tell you honestly, and I'm very, very honest with you,
Yes.
Alisa. I'm being very honest with you. I'm not even thinking of what I'm answering, no? And I think he's recording that all. So I'm being very honest with you. We didn't think about it. We did. So
Ma'am?
I guess from now on, we should be more circumspect about it. And that's what I've been trying to raise since before. Why? Well, hindi naman magagalaw yung Omnibus Election Code until it is revisited in Congress. Because there are many things there that need to be updated. Kasi, alam mo,